Hello guys, welcome to Indoor Date Nights. Date nights created for couples in mind. Today, in this video, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial to help you get the most out of your hand pump. Remember, if you try to blow up some of these balloons without using the hand pump, they will feel as if they taste a little weird and could start giving you a headache. So I totally recommend it's much better to use a hand pump. So, using a hand pump makes the whole process a lot quicker and easier. As you can see here, I am not using just any old balloons. I've got here double stuffed balloons, which is a balloon inside another balloon. Once inflated, will give you a beautiful custom color. In this case, beautiful romantic red. I tried to get all the way to the thick part here without poking a hole in it. So let's take a second to do that. Alright, so just kind of keep it there and go quick. Alright, you just have to go quick right at the beginning to get it kind of to a certain pressure, and then you can kind of pace yourself and go a little slower. There we go, slide it off, slide it around the finger to make a knot, and job done. It's pretty simple, I know. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment and subscribe if you're interested. And I'll be sure to see you in the next videos. Also remember, hand pump comes free with every romantic decorations box. See link below for more details.